All right, Warriors, we're coming up on a big weekend, December 12th, the Spark Airdrop for XRP, one of my favorite cryptocurrencies. So I love XRP. I'm an ex-banker, vice president of bank, so I understand XRP at a deep level, and I understand the real-world problem they're trying to solve. My name is Coach JV. I am the top health and mindset coach in the world. What you believe in your heart, you think in your mind, will eventually become your words and become your reality. So today I'm going to share a little bit of news from Trump, Steve Mnuchin, and then we're going to go into some crypto analysis around XRP and what they're saying about the Spark airdrop. It could go up, it could go down, but this is a big moment. Then I'm also going to tell you, share with you this website here in the description down below and tell you everything you need to know about the Spark airdrop. I've been getting a lot of messages around it. You do need to be on the right exchange to get the airdrop, and I'll share with you ones that I have seen. This is probably one of the best articles I found that gives us a good detail. So let's talk about what Trump is saying. So Trump is warning the Biden administration as they head out the door. Trump lead financial regulators are warning the incoming Biden team, a little known yet critical corner on the Wall Street is broken. So I talked about this morning. If you watch my YouTube video this morning, I talked about the fact that they went into Volcker Rule 2.0, right? They're allowing them to shrink capital and invest into riskier markets. That's not a good thing, Warriors. So their concern centers around the short-term funding of markets, which provides money to businesses, local governments, and market players. When the market breaks down, the entire economy can come to a screeching halt. That's what happened in 2008 in the financial crisis, and the pandemic caused it to collapse once again. So what I talked about this morning was Volcker Rule 2.0 that was enacted in June, which allowed banks to shrink their capital and put it into riskier investments. That is not good, Warriors. That is playing with our money. We are taxpayers. We help keep the banks open through our tax money. Alarmingly, the short-term funding markets imploded late last year and then again in March when the pandemic erupted, forcing the Federal Reserve to come to the rescue by pledging hundreds of billions of dollars in support. Okay, so this is exciting too. So the G7 call this morning, this is Steve Mnuchin. This is from his Twitter. So if you know who Steve Mnuchin, Jerome Powell and him were working together in regards to getting us a stimulus. So this is some exciting news. This was sent to me by one of my warriors. So thank you so much. And the other article was sent to one of my warriors to me by one of my warriors in our academy. Great minds think alike. So they said he had a productive G7 call this morning. So G7 is a meeting that they have with world leaders. We discussed the effective actions in response to COVID-19, strategies to achieve robust recovery. Remember, Jerome Powell said we are not coming back to a new economy, or we're coming back to a new economy, one based around technology. And he says, let me read this again. Productive G7 call this morning. We discussed the effective action in response to COVID-19, strategies to achieve a robust recovery, and cryptocurrencies. That was this morning. The narrative is getting heavy, Warriors. Okay, so a lot of you are waiting for the Spark airdrop, and it's going to be big, Warriors. There's going to be a lot of talk around this. A lot of people are going to be flooding into the market, FOMOing in to get the Spark tokens. So this is Crypto Analysis, says XRP ready to rip. Here's the new target from Credible Crypto. So I'm going to read this out. So I'm not a technical analysis person. I'm a common sense person. I teach my warriors to invest based on knowledge and understanding, like Warren Buffett. You're buying a company, and so that's how I do mine, off deep knowledge, 9 years of research and understanding economics. So popular crypto analysis is updating the near-term forecast for XRP. The pseudonymous analysis, known in the industry as Credible Crypto, tells his 82,000 Twitter followers that XRP appears poised to once again make a significant move to the upside. The strategist, who relies on Elliott wave theory to assess the market trends and investor behavior, expects breakout could continue. However, he says all bets are off in the short term if Bitcoin moves below 18,800 level. If this 19,000 level holds, I expect we'll go to a new all-time high finally next. Anything below 19K will have to wait at the point, in my opinion. So 18.8 to 19K to be exact. If Bitcoin price holds at 19,000, the analysis expects XRP to move from its current price, about 61 cents, to around $1.15. Woo! But there's always a but, right? If Bitcoin does break down, fellow analyst Michael Van Pompey says XRP is likely to move to 36 cents. So if you're a long-term holder like me, so this creates an opportunity to make some great gains, but it also creates a great opportunity to get in. So if it drops to 36 cents, You better know that we're accumulating, Warriors. We're accumulating. Okay, so everybody's been talking about the Spark Airdrop. So I'm on crypto.com, so we are set up for the Spark Airdrop. But I want to read this to you. I'm not going to read the whole thing. I'm going to attach the article down below. They did a really good job. Make sure you go check out their website. So it says everything you need to know to receive the Spark Airdrop for XRP holders. Okay, the Flare Network airdrops reward Spark. For those still not in the loop, XRP holders are eligible for upcoming token airdrop. The team behind the Flare Network will airdrop Spark tokens to all its owners of Ripple native assets in the near future. A snapshot of accounts balances will be taken on December 12th, so you can take a snapshot of your account. Based on the information, users will receive an amount of Spark. Every Spark token is valued at 0.01. Thus, no one will get rich overnight. The Flare network is designed to run smart contracts as part of the XRP ecosystem. A welcome development as Ripple business model can certainly benefit from smart contract capabilities. All of it's made possible thanks to the Ethereum virtual machine. Thanks to focus on scalability, Flare certainly has potential. As utility fork XRP holders need to pay attention to this airdrop. It says a total of 45 million Spark will be rewarded to XRP users. For every XRP one owns, you will get one Spark token accordingly. It is possible this upcoming airdrop has triggered the recent price spike for Ripple's native assets. When free money is at stake, people will gladly pay for the asset to get the required airdrop. Okay, so what exchange supported? Now this is as of, let me see when this article is. So I know Coinbase just is November 30th, and Coinbase just announced, make sure you do your research. I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. Do your research. But from what I saw, Coinbase announced last weekend on the 5th, December 5th, that they are now supporting the airdrop. So let's break down which exchanges. So you have Altcoin Trader, Anchor USD, APROBIT, Binance, Bit4U, Bitfinex, BitHum, BitCube, BitTrue, BitSo, BitStamp, BKEX, BTC Markets, Celsius, Coinbit, CoinX, CoinField, CoinOmni, CoinSpot, Colodax, Crypto.com, whoop whoop, eToro, eToroX, Foldgate, Gate.io, GateHub, GoPax, Indadax, Corbit, Qcoin, Liquid, Mirrorx, Endax, Nexo, Probit, Tokens, Ubit, Uphold, Wax IRX, Uholder, ZB.com, and MX Exchange. Wow, that was a mouthful. And Coinbase just announced on December 5th they're going to be doing it. So Warriors, we are right on the precipice of something massive, massive. So those of you who've been holding on for a long time, keep holding. Don't be a weak investor. This is a very volatile market. You'll see swings of 20 to 30%. When the wave's going down, you just ride the wave down, accumulate at the bottom. When it goes up, sell at the top. It's very simple, Warriors. The whales will try to shake out the weak investors. It's going to be very volatile the next couple weeks. This could be huge as the Spark Airdrop hits because people are going to be FOMOing in to get the Spark Airdrop. But also, after it hits, people could be pulling out. So you will see some volatility. So just keep an eye on it, Warriors. If you guys want to know how I'm teaching my Warriors mind, body, and immunity, down below you can click for 90% off to join our Warrior Academy. I teach money mindset, subconscious mind programming. You must have a wealth mindset before you ever gain any wealth. Understanding economics, you have to know the game so you won't get played. What is cryptocurrency? And then I actually have my own personal portfolio. I'm not a financial advisor. None of it's financial advice. I'm just documenting my journey, updating my portfolio on a weekly basis, along with a cryptocurrency call where we share new coins, projects, and update. I share exactly what I'm doing with my portfolio. Like we always say, Warriors, rise, let's go. XRP in the house.